You have found yourself here because you want a record deal. I'm an A&R and sit on the advisory board of a music group that has genre-specific labels under its umbrella. We have been publishing music for over 2 decades, and we are very good at what we do. I'm also a former top-tier Recording Connection mentor with an Ableton education license. As a Recording Connection graduate, you will have access to the possibilities myself and my counterparts can provide. We have seen Recording Connection's process, believe in it, and have agreed to put all RC graduates at the top of our submission pile and offer those that qualify publishing with global distribution, copyrighted correctly and legally. Our distribution network is first class. We publish to all the hard-to-reach places and all the outlets you already know. We will also publish your music in a way that is tracked globally, so no matter where your music ends up, you get paid. And if you put yourself in the position to pursue greater opportunities, not only will you be taken seriously as a legitimately published artist, you will have the means to follow through. I might also add that we have the highest royalty percentage payouts in the business. Several of my previous Recording Connection students have had music releases on various top 100 charts like Amazon and Beatport. It was my personal requirement as a mentor that each student release a record before they would receive my endorsement to graduate RC's program. Quite a few of the artists on our various labels have had top 100s in almost every store in the world, as well as sync placements on network television shows, movies, and well-known commercials. My own personal music has hit the top 100 charts on Amazon, Beatport, Google Play, iTunes, Satellite, TrackSource, Juno, and DJShop.de. You must be published correctly to take advantage of these types of opportunities. Whatever it is you want to do, whether it be soliciting a label you admire, getting yourself on TV, film, or even just having your tracks on your favorite store, there are several key steps that you need to follow through with to be able to do this in a professional way. The fastest way to learn these steps is by doing. Releasing a record with a well-known global distributor will reveal to you the core fundamentals. There's absolutely no substitute for the real thing. With a positive mindset, hard work, and a bit of hustle, you can accomplish anything. The record industry is replete with misconceptions bred from the industry of old, the gatekeepers. We are here to tell you that a lot of those things do not apply in today's age. We are not going to give you a signing bonus. We are not going to spend a bunch of money and time marketing your music. This is not how the music industry works anymore. The outcome of this opportunity will be in direct proportion to the effort you put in. So put aside your misconceptions, get ready to work hard, get motivated and excited about what it is that you hope to accomplish in the music industry, and know that it is possible. And if you follow through by graduating Recording Connections program and create a track, I'll see you on the other side and we'll publish some music.